How to get 20% off Delta coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now over here you're going to find the search box, type in Delta Airlines coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Delta Airlines. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 10% off, $100 off, $200 off, and many more. Here towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Now I can copy the code. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. Then you can click on Redeem at Delta. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, book your flight, and proceed to checkout. While you're in the checkout page, you're going to find this section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm it. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers. As in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Delta Airlines. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, WeThrift, as this is also the legit website where you're going to find amazing offers for Delta Airlines. Just scroll down and check out the offers and grab it. So this way you can easily get up to 20% off working coupon code for Delta Airlines. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.